This is the YUHUNG Forest Whim Blind Box Mystery Art Figure Collectible, a stylish surprise collectible that's perfect for anyone who loves designer-inspired art toys. Each blind box includes one mystery forest-themed character, so every unboxing feels exciting and different. What makes it really fun is how it blends collectible display style with everyday fashion use. You can clip it onto a backpack, tote bag, or purse as a charm, and it also looks great as a small desktop ornament on a shelf, desk, or bedside table. I really like the whimsical forest-inspired design theme. The characters have a playful, artistic look that gives them personality, making them feel special whether you're collecting multiple styles or just displaying your favorite one. The mystery box format also adds that surprise factor collectors enjoy, because you never know which design you'll get until you open it.